guys and welcome to Max Programming. Today we are going to learn this thing. Now you know that what we are going to learn today, so let's start. We are going to create checkboxes today. Okay, so the first thing I'll do here is within the body tags we are going to make the form tag. And please, if you haven't seen my previous tutorials, click on the I button or go in the description. There's the link to go on that playlist. So let's continue here. In the form tags we have to add two attributes, action and method, and we have to keep it blank. And within the form tags we have to use the input element. In the input element we have type. Now concentrate here that in the type attribute we have to write check box, and after that we don't have to add any attribute and keep the name attribute blank. And so let's first of all have a title here that which programming languages you might like. Okay, and so let's so this is the first checkbox, and let's name it C#, and let's see it here. But first let's put a BR tag here to just break the line, and let's save it. Let's see it here on our web page. Which programming languages you might like. So we have the first checkbox here, C#, and it can be like this. Okay, so let's go here again. So we have this here. Let's put a BR tag here because we are going to add more checkboxes. So let's put another input tag, not let's put the input tag here, but let's just copy. Okay, let's copy this and then paste it here on the next line, and we just have to change the name. C#, I'll change to Python, and after that let's paste it here also. Here let it be Java, and at the end C language. So we have it here. Let's put it here. So which programming languages you might like, we can use C#, Python, Java, and we can select all of these. If I want, I can select these or this. And one more thing, that if you want one checkbox to be checked already, so you have to add one more attribute. Let this one be checked. So checked attribute, and then let's write here checkbox. Okay, let's save it and let's see it here. So we have C# checked already. Okay, so checked attribute and checkbox written here. So if I want here also, so let's put here the checked attribute and checkbox. Again here also checked. Checkbox, but I don't want C to be checked, so let's save it here. Let's see it in our browser. So we have it checked here. We can also uncheck it. Okay, so these are also the important things in our web page. So thank you for seeing this video, and we'll continue on with the next video, and stay tuned till then. Hit a like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.